Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn backend with Python. To begin, focus on understanding the fundamental concepts of backend development, such as how servers handle requests and interact with databases. Next, select a popular Python web framework like Flask or Django to build your applications. Finally, ensure your development environment is properly configured with Python and a suitable code editor to start coding efficiently. Once you have the basics, dive into essential tools and concepts. Master HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE, which are crucial for API interactions. Investigate various database options, from relational ones like PostgreSQL to NoSQL databases such as MongoDB, choosing what fits your project best. Always use version control with Git and GitHub to manage your code and collaborate effectively. Now, let's build your first API. Start by carefully designing your API endpoints and defining your data models to structure your application's information. Then, implement the fundamental CRUD operations: create, read, update, and delete for your resources, allowing users to interact with your data. Finally, thoroughly test your API using powerful tools like Postman or Insomnia to ensure everything works as expected. After developing your API, the next step is deployment. Learn to deploy your backend application to a cloud platform like Heroku or AWS, making it accessible to users. Once your application is running smoothly, consider exploring advanced topics like user authentication and caching to enhance performance and security. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.